Good day, friends. I want to show you how to use the Appon's payment system. The first thing is to log on to the Appon website, which is appon.ng. Then you look among these tabs here, you see where you have payment. So you click on payment. Then if you have your login ID and password, you can type them in and click sign in. Ensure you type your correct login ID and password. If you don't have that, then you have to register here. So this registration is only done once. So when you get here, you have to type in your membership or induction number or NIN. If you have your membership and induction number, you type it here. But if you've not gotten it yet, you just type your NIN for now. So in this case, I will type my NIN. Then I'll type my details, my phone number. Then I will type my email address. Ensure you type their email address correctly, because that's where the secret code to log in, your login ID will be sent to you. So I will now type my password, choose my gender. Here I'm told to upload my photo, so I'll click on choose file. Then I will pick up this. So once I do that, I'll click register. So the system is telling me that I've successfully registered. Then I should check my email for verification code. So it's like a two-way authentication. So what I will do will be to go to that email, so you can see the verification code has already been sent to me straight from Appon. So I'll click this code. So the code is this. So I'll just copy this code. Then I can click here login from here, or we can go back here and continue. So I now have my login ID. Then I'll type my password. Then I'll click sign in. So when I click sign in, the system takes me to the application. So in this application, the first thing I would love to do is, you can see it's completely empty. I've not made any payment. I've not registered for any, my annual registration fee for 2026 has not been registered. That's why it's marked X here. So no payment has been done. You can see the total amount contributed is 0. So the first thing I will need to do will be to go to where I have view profile. So profile, you can see all the initial information that I gave are already picked here. So I will just upload the others. Education, course attended, or and photo, work experience. You can list as many as you want. Programmer, office, ESA, SSA, USA, and BIITC, and of course MBNCWD. You can list as many as you want. You can include the address. Then certification, you can just mention, so maybe I'm a Microsoft Certified System Engineer, and upon chapter ABJ, and project achieve, digitalization of like INEC relay voting system. So here, instead of origin, I can now upload all my documents. So I already have my documents here, so I'll just upload them, one by one. So you just upload all the documents. So you have to get all these documents up to your professional. So you can upload as many professional certificates as you want, depending on the number you have. So once you finish uploading everything, you click on update CV. So all the members using this platform will have to do the same thing too, and all the information will be shown on their main environment. So I've just updated my profile. I've not made any payment. So let's just see what we have. So here we have view profile, but if you look here again, we also have profile restricted. Now the difference between these two is that This one does the same thing. Um, I am yet to have a clear authority to enforce this. What this does in essence is that it sets some limitation. For example, if you want to upload your photo should not be more than 100 and maybe 100 kilobytes. If you want to upload your certificate, all of them have sizes 500 KB. The idea is not to overburden the backend space that is given to us uh, by the web host. So we may eventually have to use this to replace the initial one I did here. What this one does is allows you to upload anything of whatever size. So once I'm given I go ahead to enforce this, then that means everybody will have to know how to resize their document and reduce it to the authorized site before you can upload. But for now, this is good to go. It's enable you to upload. So the same thing, but just that this one is restricted, but this one allows anything. Okay, so I'm going back to my dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see that I have not made any payment yet. So I'm going to make a payment now. So I'll go to payment form. So this is where I'm going to make payment. You can see all my details are shown here. I don't need to type it. Here I can choose to pay for membership registration fee. So if I want to pay, I just indicate by the quantity how much I want to pay. So as I'm doing this, the system is adding up to the total, giving me the total of what I want to pay for. So you have to choose what you want to pay for and indicate it. The system will sum it up to the total amount. But for now, I'm going to do a live payment. I'm going to pay for upon journal. So I'm going to pay 1,000 naira. So I'll type 1,000. So 1,000 is here. So here I'll choose a payment method. So this money will go straight to Upon's bank account. So I click on pay with Paystack. Don't forget we've gone live now. So here you can see we are live. The system is asking me to type in my card number and my expiry date and this. So I'm going to do this detail, but because of security reason, I'm going to pause this video while I enter this data. Then I will click payment. So I've just entered my details and I've clicked payment. Then the system is telling me to enter the 4-digit PIN for this card. I've just entered that. So it has accepted my PIN. So here it's telling me kindly enter the OTP sent to my phone number. So I will wait. I'll try and get the OTP. I'm on my phone now. So I've just received a text message. The same way we pay for anything online. So the OTP is, so I'll type it. So I'll click authorize. So payment is successful. So Upon has gotten a 1,000 naira payment from me for the journal. So I'll go back to the payment form. So immediately I get to the payment form, I will continue to do more payment. But if I come down to payment history, so immediately I click, you can see the system records that I've just made a payment of 1,000 naira for Upon journal, and so I can download my receipt here. So I can click here to view my receipt. This is my profile. So I'm opening to the receipt. So the receipt shows what I paid for, the time and the date. Then if I also go back to my mailbox, you can see that very soon Paystack will send me a payment notification of that transaction that has just taken place. It's quite here. It's right here. So this is from Paystack telling me that I've paid 1,000 naira for this. So that's basically how the application works. So everyone can try their hands on it. Then one other thing I want to show you is that on the dashboard, immediately the Upon annual registration is paid, this one will be marked. And of course, all your payments once you start making a lot of payments, you can see that the graph will show the progression of your payment. So thank you for listening, and have a good time working with this application. Thank you.